Horizontal vertical mode switching. Tilt the handle to the right with an angle above 70 degrees. The bracket will automatically rotate into vertical shooting mode. Tilt the handle to the left with an angle above 70 degrees. The bracket will automatically rotate into vertical shooting mode. Shooting photo, video. Switch shooting mode of the phone, then click the shooting button to take photos or video.